On April 3, 1948, President Harry S. Truman signed the Marshall Plan into law, initiating a major U.S. economic aid program aimed at rebuilding Western Europe after World War II. The plan, officially known as the European Recovery Program, provided over $12 billion in aid to help restore European economies, prevent the spread of communism, and promote economic stability. By the end of the program, the Marshall Plan had significantly contributed to the recovery and growth of Western European countries, strengthening their economies and fostering political stability during the early Cold War years.